Welcome to Warrior Works 7 segments on Kung Fu. I'm Coach Hill and Coach Roman is going to be assisting me today. You might wonder why we're wearing karate gis when we're doing these videos today and in these segments, or just in regular street clothes when we're doing a Kung Fu segments. But Chinese Kempo is our primary base style, and then Kempo came from Kung Fu. The primary goals of Kung Fu was body, mind, and spirit mastery. When the emperor burned down the temple in the 1500s and the Shaolin monks became outlaws, Kempo or Chuan Fa was born, and those goals flipped. The primary goal of Kempo became survival, self-defense, and fighting, and the secondary goal was body, mind, and spirit mastery. So today we're going to be teaching you, or showing you, demonstrating and teaching you the 5 animal combined form. It's a great form. 5 animals in the Chinese Kempo system is what it's based on, whereas in American Kempo, it took a different slant and became more of an institutionalized educational process where they kind of got rid of a lot of the Asian culture elements. Chuan Fa or Kempo went from China to Japan. James Matosi brought it from Japan to Hawaii. William Chow, Ed Parker brought it to the mainland. Mainland got dispersed to the Tracy brothers, Tomas Connor. Tomas Connor went more of a Chinese Kempo way. Parker's went the American Kempo way. Tracy's, I think, are a little bit there in the middle of the two. So I'm first going to demonstrate for you the 5 animal combined form from the Shaolin Temple. Starts off with dragon and tiger leave the cave. That particular movement you might see in a lot of the Kempo movements where you see this movement right here. Notice that technique. 1, 2, okay? So it's coming into this position at the end of the form, and you can see right where dragon, tiger, 2 of the main foundational animals. Even today on the IKK patches, you have the dragon and the tiger. So we sink, up, clear, strike, circle, pull, thrust, up, catch, hit, swoop. As you can see, the form starts at the back and continuously comes forward. Coach Roman's going to come in. We're going to demonstrate or show these techniques very simply for you, so you can kind of get an idea of what's going on. The first technique is dragon and tiger leave the cave. It's a 2-hand wrist grab. I sink my weight. You can see the whiplash of the head. Hands come to the outside, double palms together. Coming to the outside as I kick the knee or kick the shin. Tiger method, palming the chin. Okay? So again, he grabs the wrists. I sink, come up, scoop, and take it off. Next technique, still tiger technique, tiger palm. He's coming in from my right side. He can come in with a right grab, and I can be clearing, tiger palm, or the left grab, clear and hit. So it can be either method. Tiger palm, again, he's coming in from the side, clear, coming into a cat stance, and the palm. Next technique is the snake. Boxing stance, and left, right side back, there you go, right side back. He's going to throw that left jab. I'm going to coil, hit. He grabs my hand. You get hit in the throat. Sometimes you grab the person's hand. I pull it in, hit him again, or go to the eyes. From there, he grabs it again. I scoop down, come in, thrust him off. So again, snake techniques. Next technique, the crane. He's coming in with a 2-hand push. I'm going to pull away, a little bit like sweeping arm hooks in the Chinese Kempo system. As I kick the groin, I'm going to come to the outside, move from the inside to the outside, and do a crane break, and then I'm going to do a crane beak to the eye or temple. So again, he comes in for the push, I come in and kick, move to the outside, and beak. So far we've done tiger and dragon leave cave, tiger techniques, snake techniques, crane techniques. Next is the dragon. 2-hand grab. This is dragon polishes pearl. I push down on the elbow as I hit the temple. My right hand is going to come down to his arm. I'm going to twist it over into the armbar. From here, I can either kick the knee out or I can take the arm out again and take off the head. So, drag it again, grab, push down on the elbow, jaw, temple, come in, arm bar, kick, or follow up, throw up. Okay? So there's your dragon techniques in the form. And then lastly, you have the leopard, wrist grab, cross grab. I'm going to circle the wrist. It can be either a small circle as I evade, or it can be a big circle. So you're going to see two circles in the form. I circle, break his balance, kick, and from there, push him off, move to my next technique. The last closing part of dragon and tiger into the cave, okay? This could be a grab again, and this is just an offensive technique. It's how you're ending your forms. Right, left. We're putting the hands together, showing that our knowledge and power promote harmony. Okay. But in the combined form, he grabs, and I do a double strike to the chin and the throat. And then I step in, do a double back fist, driving him off a beat. So again, the form begins with tiger and dragon, leave the cave, ends with tiger and dragon entering the cave. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate the form for you on a 45. So you can hopefully see some of the techniques. So we're going to sink, come to the outside, scoop, and pump. Tiger paw, snake coils, thrusts, strikes. Come up, crane, scoop, beak, and swoops. Dragon plunges pearl, tiger or leopard paw, leopard circles, tiger and dragon enter cave, and I'm sorry, forward step, back, and sets. So the speed that generally works at is just a nice combined for continuous movement. Sink, so the form is a great demo form. We used to do this form in demos where we'd have 6 or 7 different attackers just kind of coming in from those different positions as you have the one person kind of marching forward with those 5 animals. Again, this is segment 1 of 7. The next 5 segments will be on more of the physical health benefits of the 5 animals, whereas this is a more martial self-defense form. And then the 7th form, or the seventh video segment, we have Grandmaster Jerry Cook, who's graciously allowed me to share one of his segments, which you'll see is much more of a Kung Fu philosophy and feeling to it. Thank you for being here in Warrior Work, Kung Fu Styles.